really quick video on something that's like a real pet peeve, I guess, of mine, and that is that nearly every single automaker, as soon as you start your car, your instrument cluster comes on. So you get these people driving at night on the highway, driving wherever. They have absolutely no lights running on except for their daytime running lights, no tail lights, no nothing. Why can't everyone do it the way the smart car does? Your lights, your full light package comes on. That's always a good thing. But until you turn your headlights on, you don't get a speedometer. Like, how freaking hard is that for people to do? Like, look, as you can see, the lights are on. Doesn't make a difference turning the headlights on. We still have lights on as soon as the car starts, front and rear. But until you turn the lights on, you can't see your speedo. Wouldn't that make most of the people driving around with their headlights off, wouldn't it make them realize, hey, my headlights aren't on because I can't see how fast I'm going? Pretty damn simple. Smart car got it right.